tigers.
No mirrors.
So you can feel like really much better about your vehicle.
I want to.
Oh, it's so much fun here. I'm smiling.
Oh, it's so weird. Get
Diving in the back. First animal we
There's
see.
tigers in here.
I love how you already have your escape plan.
This is the.
Oh, look at the road. He's in the middle of the road, Jack. Look.
Enter park at own risk. All right.
Nice sign.
Yeah.
You gonna throw some food out at him? Oh wait, let's listen to the rules.
How y'all doing today?
Good,
All right, how are you?
I'm doing good. I just need.
Oh, he's going for it. Oh, here, give it to me.
Here, does this one we can't pet?
Oh, I think it's okay. Okay, buddy, here. Oh, I'm
Just
scared.
stick it in his mouth. There you go.
See you later.
Another one.
Oh,
What?
he's not going.
I'm scared.
Just stick it right there. There you go.
You don't have to stick it all the way.
Good. We're just on the other side. Here comes another
Here
one.
comes some, Jack. Oh, here.
How do you not run it over? Here.
It'll move. Is there somebody behind me? You gotta tell me if there's a bus coming behind
Oh,
me.
they can just wait.
There's a
They
bus.
told me I gotta move over
You're
for the
supposed to
buses.
move over. I think
There's a
it's
bus
okay.
coming. It's not going to get past all these animals though, fast.
Oh man.
Bye bye.
Look over here, the deers.
Oh.
Come here. Come here. Food.
Go give him some food.
Come here, sweetie.
Put your hand out the bottom one. There you go. Good job.
Deer.
Yeah.
Oh.
All right, let's move up some.
Okay.
Look at this big thing coming.
Oh, watch out.
I am watching.
Look, Jack, look out the front.
He's just gonna stop me.
He's like, dude, you
Oh.
gotta pay the toll.
Oh.
Give it to him, Jack. Oh.
Oh, look at we got chains of slobber coming in the van.
I lost that one down there. Oh, I hope I didn't choke you. All right, we paid the toll, dude. Go on.
Yeah, go.
We didn't all play. We didn't all pay.
Bye bye. I see you next time.
Look at these coming, guys.
So the people in the oh
Awesome.
yeah, hey.
Shit.
Just stick it in his mouth.
What kind of like horses here?
They'll bite your finger.
Here, Jack. Look.
They're good to bite. Oh, they're
Can
hungry.
that bus get by me?
Yeah, they're just going slow.
They're feeding the animals out the
Okay. All
window.
right, we're gonna move now. Watch your feet, animals.
Okay, bye bye. I see you next time.
Look at this one coming.
Oh, that's got horns, man. It's not gonna.
Here you go. Here's it.
I'm trying, buddy.
Don't waste it, Jack. Don't just throw it out.
Let's see what we got up here.
Ah. What the
We
heck?
gotta wait till the bigger animals.
They're gonna get bigger than this.
Corn.
Well, there's gonna be giraffes.
That's corn pap.
I
Zebras.
got this other cup of food back
Look,
here.
zebras.
Forget.
Look
I
at
know.
zebras.
Can't really go around them because there's a lot of roads
Oh.
there.
Yeah, stay away from him. He can bite.
But maybe they're trying to. Oh, the giraffe is over there. That's why.
And a baboon.
Get ready. Maybe we can feed the giraffe. Oh, really?
That's the cow moo.
We're not allowed to feed you though, because you'll bite us.
We can feed you. We just can't. Stop wasting food.
Well, it was just a little quarter of a.
Here comes the giraffe.
Moo.
The buffalo's stuck between the bus and the.
Help.
What?
Pap wants to eat him.
He does. He eats buffalo burgers.
Buffalo burgers.
Yep, Pat likes buffalo burgers.
That's a buffalo.
That is.
Wow. Not no buffalo. Here's the zebra coming. Anyway, do it too. Can we diet?
There he comes.
Here's the big bull.
It's got teeth. Yeah.
Good job, bub. Good job.
Him big bull.
Don't feed him anymore.
Big bull. Big boy.
You know, the
Big
people
boy.
that live next to my grandparents used to have a donkey. Into that
Really?
road, Yeah.
You remembered?
Watch. Sometimes he makes funny faces. Where's your funny face, dude? Where's your funny face? Do you want to eat the camera? Do you want to eat the camera? Do you want to eat the camera?
My
If I get my head through
that's
the
a
bars,
different
I'll-
I
dog.
know. It's like a video.
Hello. So
Oh,
bye.
this must be the tiger or whatever, because it's in a cage.
Cat condo.
Let's go.
Come over here. Well, over here is going to be where the cats are. Let's wait till we get past them before you get over. No, get up, sweetie. It's okay. You don't have to be scared.
They're not loose.
They're inside a cage.
You could put the brakes on and hop over on the other side.
No, no hop.
No hopping. No hopping, Pat.
No hop, Dave. I want to get us.
You're boring. Cats are boring.
All right, what's up here?
More sleeping cats.
Donkeys.
Yeah, more sleeping animals.
Do not get out of your vehicle. Thanks for the sign.
Oh, get the big donkey coming now and a horse.
Oh, look at that dirty horse.
Look at them all laying up there, sleeping.
I
Hello.
don't have nothing for you, buddy.
Is this a donkey or a horse?
I think it's a donkey.
This is a horse.
Look, Jack. Do you want? You love horses.
Let me see your teeth.
Whoa.
Throw it in.
I can't.
Here, I'll do it.
Okay. Look, this too big.
Watch.
Look.
Ah,
They're all up in here now.
he's back. No, that's not the same one.
Yeah, that's what we were doing.
Let's go there. There's no bear.
Gotta come on this side. He's got the food over here.
There's a buffalo up here.
Okay.
This is
Sit down, Jack. Jack.
This is going to be quite yes.
Look, Dad. There's one. It's like you got something.
Ah. Now I did it again.
Oh, people, you're going to be so sorry you did that.
What do they do?
Brought their own car.
Baboons in here.
Oh, are you saying this really big one up here? Wow, that guy's huge.
Look at this one.
Out.
Holy cow.
Oh, you smell.
You're blocked in.
Watch out, Bob!
Look at that. I think he's trying to
Watch out,
lick
watch
you,
out.
Dad. I feel like
Those
he's a
are big
T-Rex.
horns right there.
Hear him breathing?
Hello. Yo.
He's going to stop you. There he goes. Do
He's like, you didn't bury the
you
food.
think you're leaving?
Give us your firstborn. No, wait. No, second
Oh.
All right. Come after the car. Look at that.
Oh my gosh.
The door open.
She's loud. You hear her laugh?
Yeah.
What the? Oh my god, that's scary.